Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. It's ETT DLED ETT first year book. Its name is Understanding the Psychology of Children. It's an Hindi medium book. It's of Government of Himachal Pradesh. So syllabus pattern is as per the new syllabus pattern, and it's a bestseller book of the most trusted publishing firm, which is Vinod Publications. You can see this is the cover of the book. You can see the cover is also very nice. The posture is very good. It all very well depicts the title, which is the Understanding the Psychology of Children. So let's review this book and check this out. First of all, its syllabus is mentioned unit wise. Unit 1, perspectives of psychology in children. Then topics are mentioned: educational psychology, methods of educational psychology, and so on. Then unit 2 is mentioned: perspectives in development. Topics are mentioned: growth and development, aspects of development, and so on. Then you can see unit second over. Then unit 3 started: intelligence, creativity, and individual differences. Topics are given: intelligence, meaning, concept, then individual difference. And then unit 4, personality is given: personality, self concept, meaning, concept, then theories of personalities, moral development, social theories. And this is the syllabus. So now let's check the contents. Does the contents match the syllabus or not? Like unit 1, perspectives of psychology in children. It's given like educational psychology, meaning, nature, scope, significance. Then methods of education psychology, you can check out with syllabus. See education psychology, meaning, scope, nature, then methods. It's completely given. Now you can check out the further contents like this. Everything is given which was there in syllabus. Then unit 2, perspective in development, growth and development. You can check. Then concept of growth, you can see subtopics are also given: principles, factors influencing, humanistic psychology, development theory. Then aspects of development, everything is given. You can check out unit 2 syllabus: growth and development, aspects of development, physical, motor, social, and all. Then you can check the unit 3 of contents. Unit 2 is further ahead. You can check with subtopics. Also a very good thing about this book is that the topics are mentioned in both English and Hindi language of contents, so that any kind of reader of English and Hindi can view it, can understand it very easily. And the page numbers are also mentioned in front of contents, so to find it easy for the viewer to understand it. Then unit 2 is moving. Page numbers are mentioned, you can check. And then one second, see, you can check now unit 3, intelligence, creativity, then intelligence, meaning, concept. Everything is there which was there in syllabus. You can check out all yourself also. So in syllabus also it was there, everything was there. You can see intelligence, meaning, concept, and further individual difference. Then unit 4 of syllabus had personality, self concept, meaning, social theories, moral, and in contents also you will find the same thing: personality, meaning, concept, types, and theories of personality and all. Everything is completely there. Social theories, moral development, everything is there. So it's clear that everything of the contents which was there, everything which was there in syllabus, everything contents does also have that. Now we have to check whether the page numbers which are given in front of the contents are these accurate or not. For example, page 2 to 7, we have to check whether different dimensions of self and personality is there or not. Let's go to page 2 to 7. So page 2 to 7, different dimension of self and personality. So let's check out one other one, the last one, then we move ahead, or any page number from the earlier units. For example, unit 1, 13 page, significance of educational psychology. Let's check whether it's there or not. So page 13, significance of educational psychology, it's there, significance and importance of educational psychology, page 13. So everything is clear. The wordings are also very easy. Topics are highlighted in both English and Hindi to make it easy for both kind of readers. So contents have everything of syllabus. Page numbers are also very rightly mentioned. Go to any page number, find that particular topic and read it in very easy language. So in the back side of book, other books are also available of ETT first year Himachal Pradesh, and guest paper also available. You can check about the price of the book. This book is just for rupees 199.50 rupees only, and this covers 256 pages. Everything is discussed in detail. This book is available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can you can call them directly at 9218 and book will be delivered to your house within 3-4 days time. Or you can also buy this book offline at any available bookstore nearby your location, or whichever had ETT books, and you can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. You can visit their website at www.vinodpublications.com and go to their Facebook, Twitter, YouTube handle to check out other books available in this form. And if you have any complaint regarding any book or this book, you can go to the helpline ID at help@vinodpublications.com and they will further reply and solve your problem. So buy it online at Flipkart, Amazon, or call them, or you can buy it offline from any bookstore. So 199.50 for this book, Understanding the Psychology of Children, Himachal Pradesh, ETT first year Hindi, is a very good price, very reasonable price. You should definitely buy this book at 199.50. I highly recommend this book. Thank you so much.